We are from Group 6 Accounting Major, National University. I am Fabia Syafani Salizara. My group friends are Anissa Sasvinorita, Dwi Febriani, Karin Solehah, and Taufan Dika Ramadan. We are going to explain about pandemic and study at home. I will explain about what is pandemic. Dwi Febriani will explain about how is pandemic going in Indonesia, and Karin Solehah, Anissa Sasvinorita, and Taufan Dika Ramadan will explain about how is study at home. What is pandemic? Pandemic is an outbreak of a disease that occurs over a wide geographic area, such as multiple countries or continents, and typically affects a significant proportion of the population. The World Health Organization recognized the spread of COVID-19 as a pandemic on March 11, 2020, as Italy, Iran, South Korea, and Japan reported surging numbers of cases. Later that month, the number of cases outside of China quickly surpassed the number of cases inside China.
How is the pandemic going in Indonesia? As of October 11, 2020, Indonesia had reported 333,449 positive cases, which made Indonesia rank second in Southeast Asia after the Philippines. In terms of mortality, Indonesia is in the third rank in Asia with 11,844 deaths. However, the mortality rate is estimated to be much higher than the data reported because there are no cases of death with acute COVID-19 symptoms that have not been confirmed or tested. Meanwhile, it was announced that 255,027 people had recovered and 66,578 cases currently being treated.
The Indonesian government has tested more 2 million people out of total population of 200 million, which means only about 8,000 people per 1 million population. In response to the pandemic, several regions have imposed large-scale social restrictions. Some of these have ended the social restriction period and start to implement new normal.
Next, however, this activity did not really affect National University students. We are used to doing online learning because National University has implemented blended learning since we start studying at National University. Since the beginning, we often carry out online learning activity talk, the official lecture web provided by the campus. By using the lecture web, we can discuss in the forum that have been provided. All things related to learning, as SMS learning plans, book reference, and PowerPoint containing course material are available on the lecture web. We also conduct midterm and end of semester exam using web lecture by working on the exam question within a specific time.
Okay, the last, apart from using the lecture web, we also often do face-to-face learning via video using the Zoom application. By using this application, lecturer can explain course material more clearly and student can listen the lecture explanation directly. Besides that, we can also do presentation and discussion with the Zoom application. However, not all students are happy with the online learning that is not now being carried out because some people need to meet face-to-face in the class with the lecturer and listen to the lecture directly in order to understand the material being studied. For now, we still have to endorse online learning because we don't know when this pandemic will end, and then we can start learning directly on campus again. We hope this pandemic will end soon and the situation will improve soon, that we can carry out lecture activity directly on campus as usual. Thank you.